Pulsar Tubeless Tyre Puncture Repair. Tools needed: Tubeless Tyre Puncture Repair Kit, Toolkit Parts Identification, Tool A, Tool B, rubber strips or sticky worms, a plier, cutter knife, foot pump. Procedure: put the bike on center stand or paddock stand and rotate the tire slowly to locate the culprit nail. Once you have located the nail that caused the puncture, mark that area with the help of a chalk or something else, and if working on the rear wheel, put the bike in gear so that it doesn't rotate anymore. Take a strip of mending rubber and pass it through the eye of the tool B so that there is equal length of rubber strip on either side of the tool. Keep it aside. Now pull the nail out using the plier. Note the direction of the nail through which it entered the tire. Take tool A from the kit and push it inside the tire in the same direction the culprit nail went in. It is very important to follow the direction of the nail. Push the tool 2/3 of its length inside the tire and rotate it clockwise 3 to 4 turns. This will smoothen the tire walls and make the hole large enough to accommodate the rubber strip. Now take tool A out and immediately push tool B with the rubber strip or sticky worm through the hole made by tool A, again following the direction of the nail. You might have to push a little harder here to push the sticky worm inside. Once 2/3 of the rubber strip is inside the tire, press the rubber strip with your fingers and pull the tool B out. Now take the cutter knife and cut the remaining portion of the rubber strip that is visible outside the tire surface. Inflate the tire using the foot pump.